This is Redmi Note 11 Pro, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So to start, make sure that your phone is connected to Wi-Fi, then launch the Google Play Store. At the search bar, type in Opera. Once the new app is found, you can start its installation either directly from the search results or open the app page and tap at the same install button, but well, over here. Now, once the app is ready, you can go ahead and launch it. While opening Opera for the first time, it is required that you undergo a very simple yet necessary setup procedure. So first of all, tap at the continue button, then choose whether you would like to set Opera as your default browsing app right off the bat, or you can skip this step. And at this page, you can either customize the permissions that will be granted to Opera, or simply allow everything that it needs, or at least everything that it asks for, and start using the app already. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.